Review of Philips Hue White and Color Ambiance Starter Kit. The Philips Hue White and Color Ambiance Starter Kit is a popular choice for smart lighting enthusiasts, offering a mix of functionality, versatility, and innovation. Here's a detailed look at the product's strengths and areas where it might fall short. The kit offers a wide spectrum of colors, up to 16 million, and adjustable white tones, from warm to cool, making it perfect for creating personalized ambiances. Whether you're hosting a party, enjoying a cozy movie night, or focusing on work, the lighting can adapt to your needs with ease. The system integrates well with popular smart home ecosystems like Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple HomeKit. Voice control and automation options make it easy to adjust lighting without lifting a finger, enhancing convenience and accessibility. Setting up the starter kit is straightforward, thanks to clear instructions and a user-friendly app. Once installed, the system is highly expandable, allowing you to add up to 50 bulbs and accessories like dimmer switches or motion sensors, making it a long-term investment for smart home upgrades. While the features are impressive, the starter kit's price is significantly higher than traditional or non-smart LED bulb options. For budget-conscious buyers, the cost may be a hurdle, especially if planning to expand the system. The inclusion of the Hue Bridge adds reliability, but it also introduces an extra layer of complexity and cost. Competing systems often offer direct Wi-Fi or Bluetooth connectivity, which may appeal to users looking for simpler setups. Some advanced features, such as dynamic scenes or syncing lights with music and movies, require a subscription to the Philips Hue Sync service. This might feel restrictive, especially for users who expect full functionality after the initial purchase. The Philips Hue White and Color Ambiance Starter Kit excels in creating dynamic, customizable lighting experiences and integrates seamlessly with modern smart home setups. However, its premium price and reliance on additional components or subscriptions may not appeal to everyone. If you're looking for a reliable, feature-rich smart lighting system and are willing to invest, this kit is an excellent choice. For those on a tighter budget or seeking a simpler solution, there are more affordable alternatives worth considering.